Never throw away your old flip-flops again. Today, I am going to teach you a super useful trick that you can do at home from now on. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. Here, I have a broken flip-flop. Instead of throwing it away, I'm going to show you something surprising. Let me know which country you're watching from, so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Now, I'll set aside my broken flip-flop for a few minutes. Let's head to the stove and light it. I'll take a knife and heat it on the stove until it becomes very hot. These steps will only take a few minutes, so don't worry. I assure you it will be worth it. When the knife is hot, I'll remove it and grab the flip-flop that we had set aside. We'll place the hot knife against the broken part of the flip-flop. This will melt the plastic and help us reattach the broken piece easily. I'll gently press it, and you'll see how the heat melts the flip-flop material. If you happen to lose the broken stopper that holds the flip-flop, you can use a similar piece of plastic. After gluing it, you'll notice that it's still quite soft. But we're not done yet. Ensure that the pieces are well joined before moving on to the next step. The final step in restoring your flip-flop is to run it under running water. This will cool the molten plastic, and you'll see that it becomes very hard. You'll have restored flip-flops that look similar to new ones from stores. The repair is almost unnoticeable, and the best part is that it won't cost you a dime. Many people appreciate these restoration ideas, and I thought they would be helpful to you. By reusing plastics and petroleum derivatives, we're also taking care of the planet. Now, I'm going to put the flip-flops on my feet so you can see that they are quite durable. I'm all set for beach or pool days. If you're enjoying this video and want more tips like these, leave a comment below. I want more tips, so I know if I'm doing it right. Today's special greeting goes to Denise Hubbard from Texas and Cheryl K. from Georgia. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more tips like these.